I didn't start my business to stare at emails. I started it because I love baking cookies. But lately, I spend more time battling paperwork than actually touching dough. If you feel like your passion is being smothered by the boring stuff, emails, quotes, invoices, social media, you're not lazy, you're overloaded. Here's the secret no one explains properly. There are computer helpers, we call them AI, that can quietly handle these chores for you. Today, I'll show you how small business owners can use free AI tools to get back 40 hours every month. That's an entire work week of your life returned. And let me be very clear before we continue. If you can text a friend using a smartphone, you can do this. No coding, no tech background, just smart shortcuts. Every morning starts the same way. You open your phone and see 20 unread emails. You know what you want to say, but not how to say it without sounding cold, rushed, or unprofessional. So you rewrite the same sentence 5 times. Your coffee goes cold, and half your morning disappears. This is where your first helper comes in. ChatGPT, and it's free. Think of it as a fast intern who never gets stuck for words. Here's how it works. Sarah sends you an email asking about ordering cookies for her event. You don't write the reply from scratch. You give ChatGPT instructions. You type something like, "Tell Sarah I can do her cookie order, ask about the delivery date, and sound friendly." 2 seconds later, done. You copy it, add any personal touches, do a quick 30-second human polish, and hit send. Here's the golden rule. AI is your co-pilot, not the pilot. Always check dates, prices, and tone. But never start from a blank page again. Sarah replies, she loves the idea and wants a detailed quote for her daughter's birthday party. Now you need to send her pricing for 100 cookies, party favors, and delivery. Suddenly you're buried in spreadsheets, calculators, and messy documents, hoping you don't misprice something or send a file that looks amateur. Here's the shortcut. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to list your products, calculate totals, and organize everything into a clean table. It handles the structure and math instantly. Then drop that content into Canva. Canva's free proposal templates turn that information into something clean, branded, and professional in minutes. Export it as a PDF. Send it to Sarah with confidence. Sarah loves your proposal and accepts immediately. Time to celebrate, right? Not yet. A great proposal is just a promise, until you get paid. This is where many small businesses quietly struggle. You finish baking the cookies. You deliver everything perfectly. Then you wait and wait. It feels awkward to chase Sarah for money, so you don't. Meanwhile, your cash flow suffers. Enter Wave Invoicing. Completely free. You create Sarah's invoice once, set the due date, add a payment link. Then Wave does the uncomfortable part for you. It automatically sends a polite reminder to Sarah before the due date, another one on the day, and one final nudge a week later. You don't send a single awkward message. The result? The average time to get paid dropped from 31 days to 14. That's money in the bank 17 days sooner, without stress. As your business grows, another problem appears. The memory gap. 3 weeks pass. Your phone rings. It's Sarah. She wants to add something to her order, but you're scrambling. Was it her daughter's birthday or her niece? What date was it again? Did someone have allergies? That's where your superbrain comes in. HubSpot's free CRM connects to your email in about 5 minutes. You're basically giving it permission to remember the important details for you. It creates a simple profile. What they ordered, important notes, dates that matter, and so forth. So when Sarah calls, you already see. Daughter's 10th birthday, March 15th, nut allergy. You look organized. She feels valued. And you didn't type a single note. It's 8 p.m. You know you should post on Instagram, but you're exhausted. You stare at a cookie photo with no idea what to write. This is the 8 p.m. panic. Canva fixes this too. On the free plan, you get beautiful Instagram templates, AI captions with Magic Write, and AI-generated images with Magic Media. 50 free image credits to start. You can plan 30 days of posts in one sitting. Then use a scheduling tool like Later to queue everything. Your phone posts automatically, while you actually bake. Important note: if you use AI-generated images, be honest. Add hashtag AI-generated. Honesty builds trust. Faking it destroys brands. This isn't about tech. It's about getting your life back. 10 hours saved per week equals 40 hours per month. One full work week returned to you every single month. What would you do with that time? Bake new recipes? Spend time with family? Actually take a day off? Don't do everything today. Start small. Week 1, email with ChatGPT. Week 2, proposals with ChatGPT and Canva. Week 3, invoicing with Wave. Week 4, social media with Canva and a scheduler. Week 5, customers with HubSpot. Remember, you are the boss. AI is the intern. Your challenge this week is simple. Pick one annoying email. Let AI draft it, polish it, send it. Tell me in the comments, how much time did you save? Remember why you started this business in the first place. Go get your time back. You've got cookies to bake. If you want alternatives that sound even more human, offer advanced features, or work directly inside tools like Gmail, I've linked a full list below. But the free tools you saw today are more than enough to get started.